Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Veo3, a cutting-edge AI video generation tool from Google DeepMind. Whether you want to create cinematic videos from just a prompt or explore the latest in generative video tech, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process. Let's get started. Google Veo3 is a powerful AI video generation model developed by Google DeepMind. Unlike traditional video editors, Veo doesn't require you to upload footage or manually edit clips. Instead, you simply describe the video you want using text. And Veo generates a high-quality video based entirely on your prompt. It's designed for creators, marketers, educators, and anyone who wants to bring ideas to life visually without needing advanced video editing skills. Think of it as ChatGPT for video. Just type what you want to see, and Veo brings it to life. Consider an educator creating a video lesson on climate change. With a prompt like, "A glacier melting under a bright sun while polar bears search for ice." The tool can produce visual content in minutes. Or imagine a startup pitching a product using a vivid 15-second animation rendered directly from a product description. This is where Veo3 shines. To access Veo3, head over to the official Flow website. This is where Google is currently showcasing the Veo model. Note that the platform is still in limited access or invite-only beta, so you may need to request access or wait for approval before you can use it. Once you're logged in with your Google account, you'll see the Veo interface, where you can explore examples or begin generating your own videos. The most important part of using Google Veo3 is crafting a clear and creative prompt. Since Veo generates videos entirely from text, your description should be detailed and specific. For example, instead of typing "a cat," try "a fluffy orange tabby cat sitting on a windowsill during sunset with soft light shining through." The more vivid your prompt, the more accurate and visually interesting your video result will be. You can also include mood, environment, camera movement, and lighting in your prompt for more cinematic output. Think in terms of cinematography. Use words like drone shot, slow motion, or shaky handheld camera to suggest how you want the video to feel. Layer emotions into the scene. For instance, a lonely robot walking through an abandoned city at twilight, fog rolling in. Veo3 interprets atmosphere just as much as physical objects. Once you've written your prompt, Veo3 will give you options to customize your video, depending on your prompt and system limits. These options help you guide the AI's output to better match your creative vision. Think of them as creative filters that shape the final result based on your goals. Once your prompt and settings are ready, simply hit the arrow button. Google Veo3 will then process your input using its advanced video generation model. This may take a few moments as the system renders high-quality visuals based on your description. During this time, Veo analyzes your words, understands the scenes, and builds a video sequence frame by frame. When the generation is complete, your video will appear in the preview window, ready for you to watch and review. Veo's model uses a transformer-based architecture trained on massive datasets of video text pairs. This allows it to understand not just objects and actions, but how they evolve over time, crucial for generating coherent, flowing motion. After your video is generated, you can watch a preview directly on the platform. If the result doesn't quite match what you envisioned, you can tweak your prompt and try again. This is a normal part of the creative process with AI tools. Sometimes, small changes to your wording, like adding more detail, adjusting the tone, or changing the scene description, can dramatically improve the results. Don't be afraid to experiment until you get the video that feels right. Once you're happy with the final result, you can download the video directly from the platform. Just click the download button beneath your video preview. You can then use the video in presentations, social media posts, marketing content, or any other creative project. While there's no export to YouTube button like in traditional editors, the downloaded video can be manually uploaded anywhere you want. Simple, fast, and no editing software required. From YouTubers creating intros, to brands prototyping ads, to educators visualizing abstract concepts, Google Veo3 is being used in fascinating ways. Some filmmakers have even started using it to storyboard scenes before full production. Avoid vague prompts like "a nice day." Be descriptive. Don't forget the setting. A beach, a forest, or a city can change the entire tone. don't expect perfection on the first try. Like any creative tool, mastery takes iteration. What's next for Google Veo 3? While still in beta, Veo is evolving rapidly. Future updates may include voiceover generation, background music syncing, multi-shot editing, and integration with Google Workspace tools. As generative AI continues to grow, tools like Veo could revolutionize how we create video, removing barriers and empowering a new generation of storytellers.